4 receivers in the pattern. That's Bolden in motion. Leinart swings it out to Arrington, who's got a little room. He's got the first down. And he is past the 40. And I'll tell you, trying to work that right side, but there is nothing going.
Down so you can win this game.
What did he say? If you run it well, you play good defense, you're going to be around at the end, just like they were last week. They just couldn't close it out. We'll see what happens here today. Leinart pressured and gets it off downfield to Bolden. Bolden still going down to the 25-yard line.
Well, a couple things. One, credit Matt Leinart.
Starter over the age of 30 on the offensive side of the ball for Arizona. Leinart approaching a 300-yard passing game today, and here he hands it off to Edgerrin James. Stuffed by Tatupu yet again.
In the middle
for Leinart. Ball off the hands of Pope and incomplete. And there are a few flags down.
Holding. Offense number 76. 10-yard penalty. Repeat, second down.
That is Deuce Latui, the second-year guard, getting the hold off of Latui. So 2nd and 19 for the Cardinals. Leinart pressured again and just kind of throws it over the head of Fitzgerald.
On that yardage for your kicker, that's exactly what you're thinking. And if you get a touchdown out of it, fine, but you're thinking yardage.
3rd and 19, Leinart again looking. Out to Morey, who drops it. So they're going to call it 52. For the tie. And it is good. Neil Rackers X on a 52-yard field goal. And another good one, this one out of the end zone over the head of First and 10, that's Alvin Pierman in motion. Hasselbeck looking, gets it out to Strong, slips a tackle and gets down to almost the 40-yard line, and that's going to take us to the 2-minute warning. Hasselbeck leading. The Cardinals coming with pressure. Burleson gets his fingertips on it, but he couldn't come down with it. James. Good run inside the 40 with a $1:40 to go. Let's remember last week the Cardinals couldn't fall on a fumble in the end zone. Eric Green had it. James again. Big hole up the middle. Down to the 33.
You know, you have to be thinking.
James again. Up the middle for 4 yardage. Down to the 26. And now there's 20 seconds to go in this game.
Seattle's not going to stop the clock.
But Arizona does, as Leinart is going to use a timeout. 16 seconds to go. James again just trying to get into the middle of the field. He moves it a couple yards ahead, and it looks like Leinert's waiting. And they're going to use that timeout.
And if he gets it, it's going to be a big win. It's against the divisional champs the last 3 years in a row. It's his first game at home in this 07 season, so it'd be a huge win.
Mike Barr to hold. Nathan Hodel is the long snapper. From 42 yards out. There is 1 tick left. Well, Pearman's going to get a shot. And here we go with the fun. Josh Wilson, he fumbles it forward, and that is going to do it.